Everybody, welcome to Foundations of the Restoration. My name is Happy Ditton. I'll be the instructor for this course. And this is kind of our first little video. I wanted to show you something, sorry. Just to kind of get your Canvas set up so you get the announcements. I'm just going to show this. Let me go back to, let's do this here. So hopefully you're seeing this. What you need to do is you need to log on to Canvas. And this is going to show you how to turn on your announcement notification on your device so that you get the announcements of, or you get notified when the announcement comes out. The announcement, and you read it in the email. All you need to do is go to the announcement. So here's how you turn on that notification. I'm going to widen my screen here a little bit. I don't want to do that. On your Canvas, you're going to see that. You're going to see that right there. Up here in the left-hand corner of this account, you're going to click on account. You're going to hit notifications. And when you click notifications, you're going to come down. You're going to see a ton of things here that you can click. I have some things to click just because I'm a teacher and I use this for a bunch of different things besides here. But the only one, honestly, the only one that you want clicked is this one right here. That one right there, announcement. Make sure that bell is green. Notify immediately. And make sure that one there, if it'll push to any other devices, your phone or other computers, so you click that one there. Those are the only ones you really need to be, because everything I do, it keeps it on announcement, okay? And so just click those, and then you just scroll down to the bottom here, and I don't even think you have to save it. I think it just does it automatically. And then you can go back and, come back to your dashboard and you're set. And you'll just go there. And there's the announcement for our class. You just click on that very first one. You'll get it. It's already published. So the next one that comes out will give you the new announcement. I send it out every week, every Wednesday before class, right after class, I send the next one. There's everything you need to do before gathering on January 4th next week. Welcome to class. There's the Zoom link right there. You need the passcode. There it is. Here's everything you need to do before January 4th, the gathering. Join the WhatsApp group. Click that one, do it. 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 Shouldn't take you more than 45 minutes, which is all we're asking you to do a week, plus the 45-minute gathering. Don't get bogged down. Just answer the questions and submit it, and let's move on to the next week. We're going to talk more about this when we meet. But excited to see you in class. If you have questions, join the WhatsApp group. Text me, or let's communicate through that WhatsApp group, because a lot of people will have the same questions, and that will help us to kind of make sure that everybody's on the same page. All right. So looking forward to meeting you. Turn on those notifications. Get on there. Look at that first week. Be ready for it on January 4th, and we are moving. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.